Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday remembered the sacrifices of Hazrat Imam Hussain on the occasion of Muharram. Today is a day to recall the sacrifices of Hazrat Imam Hussain. He is remembered for his unwavering commitment to truth and his fight against injustice. He also placed great importance on equality and brotherhood, he said in a tweet. Muharram commemorates the martyrdom of Hazrat Imam Hussain, the son of Hazrat Ali and the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. It signifies an expression of sorrow over the martyrdom of Imam Hussain at the Battle of Karbala that took place over 14 centuries ago. Muharram, the first month of the Islamic calendar, reaches a crescendo on 10th day of Muharram, the day when Imam Hussain ibn Ali and his followers were martyred. The 10th day of Muharram is the day of Ashura, which to Shia Muslims is part of the mourning of Muharram. Sunni Muslims fast during the day.